This is the front of Deepcool Icewind Pro, and if you, as you see, it has it's not a blue LED. It's only a color of the fan blade, and it has coppers, heatsink copper, heat pipes, and it is good for Intel and AMD for AMD CPUs. And for Intel, it's Intel Core i series and FX series for AMD. If you look at the side, here are the specification and requirements if you want to use this Icewind Pro. And you should have a Core i7, i5, i3, and all of the Intel series. But first, look at the socket. If you have a LJ1366 or 1155, or the latest one is the LJ1150, and the oldest one is the LJ75, it's still compatible. It's universal. And here's for AMD socket. It's FM2, FM1, AM3 Plus, and that's all. I recommend you to Google it if you want to know the specs. Here are look at here is the CPU cooler. It is left view, front view, and the top view. If the back is just an image or the back of the heatsink. Now we will gonna open this Deepcool Icewind Pro CPU cooler. Gonna open it one by one. So here's the moment of truth again, and there we are. Here's the heatsink of Deepcool. It has 1, 2, 3. I don't know. It's a copper four copper heat pipes. And here's the short message for you: enjoy your cool life. There we are. So we were gonna open this mini bag. It's not mini, it's a square type of bag. And what's inside of this is cooler of the it is a fan blade. It's a fan. It's a Deepcool fan. It has rubber grommets. The reason of there is a rubber grommets in case for vibration of to lessen the noise of your CPU cooler. It's color black and it's good, and it has a 4-pin if you connect this to the motherboard. Another one here is the CPU cooler. We're gonna move it one by one. Now I'm gonna pull out the CPU heatsink in order for me to show you the heatsink of this Icewind Pro. It is shining. It's shining. It's copper. And there we are. And here's the output, or here's the physical look of the Icewind Pro. And it has, as you see, it has 4 copper heat pipes, and it's good for overclocking and for temperature of CPU. Here's the Deepcool, and don't open this. It has a thermal paste inside. I think there's a thermal paste. And it has and these clips is for, I think, for AMD. These clips, or I think it's universal. Let's put here in the side. Okay, we are in the bottom of the box. I'm gonna push the other box. It's a square type box again, and I'll put the box here. And I'm gonna open it with my hands. And it is clips in case for you want to install this. It has this. It is for a pin if you want to put your fan aside like that, and that is the purpose of this. I think this is what is this again? Pins, the pins, silver pins. The other one, and this is the universal for socket. You're gonna put this for your motherboard, like this, for example, like that. And the other one is manual. I recommend you to read the manual for you to not forget how to install this. It has look at the requirements. It has wire clip, thermal grease, heatsink, clips. This is not pin. This is clips, and this is a mounting bracket. This is the mounting bracket. Okay, I recommend you this. Don't be a macho if you don't know this. Okay, this is a screw. I think a push pins. You will put this inside of it. The other one is I think this is a thermal paste, short thinner price of thermal paste. In order for, and that's all everyone. I think this is the orientation of this, I think, is like that, and you will put this like that, and the other one is that. And if you I'm just gonna show you a short clip of the picture of this